Dandruff is a common scalp condition characterized by flakes of dead skin that fall off in small, oily, and white or yellowish patches. Dandruff can be embarrassing and uncomfortable, but it's not contagious and can be treated with self-care measures. Reasons of having dandruff. Overproduction of skin cells. People with dandruff tend to produce new skin cells at a faster rate than others, leading to a buildup of dead cells. Harsh chemicals in shampoos, conditioners, and styling products can irritate the scalp and lead to dandruff. A diet lacking essential nutrients can contribute to dandruff. How eggs, avocado, and fatty fish help. Eggs. Rich in zinc, eggs help regulate inflammation and support the immune system, reducing dandruff symptoms. Avocado. Avocado's healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, particularly vitamin E, protect the scalp from damage and promote healthy skin. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish reduce inflammation, promoting a healthy scalp and alleviating dandruff symptoms. Additional tips to get rid of dandruff. Medicated shampoo. Use an anti-dandruff shampoo containing ingredients like zinc pyrithione, ketoconazole, or coal tar. Coconut. Apply coconut oil to your scalp to reduce inflammation and moisturize your skin. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin and scalp healthy. Reduce stress. High stress levels can exacerbate dandruff. Try stress-reducing techniques like meditation or yoga. By incorporating these tips and foods into your lifestyle, you can help alleviate dandruff symptoms and maintain a healthy skin.